In an arithmetic sequence, u1 equals 3 and u5 equals 21. For part A, we can use the general term for an arithmetic sequence, which is un equals u1 plus n minus 1 times d. u5 equals u1 plus 5 minus 1 times d. 21 equals 3 plus 4d. So d equals 9 over 2. In part B, we can use the same formula. u13 equals u1 plus 13 minus 1 times d. u13 equals 3 plus 12 times d, which is 9 over 2. So u13 equals 57. In part C, we can use the formula for the sum of the terms of an arithmetic sequence, which is Sn equals n over 2 times u1 plus un. So for 13, S13 equals 13 over 2 times u1 is 3 plus un is 57. So S13 equals 13 over 2 times 60, which equals 390.
In an arithmetic sequence, first term is -2 and seventh term is 16. In part A, we can find the common difference by using the n term formula. Let's substitute our values. (16) equals -2 plus 60, and d becomes 3. In part B, we need to find the u9. We can use the same formula. u9 equals -2 plus 8 times d, and d is 3. And it becomes 22. In part C, we need to find sum of the terms till the 9th term. We can use the sum of the terms formula. Nine divided by 2 times u1 plus u9, and it equals 20 times 9 divided by 2, and it equals 90.